We are cooking with cake this morning. Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission with us today with some comfort foods because we need that with the cold weather. I mean, Tony just said it. We're going to need all of the coats. Just stay inside and make yourself something really yummy.
That's right, bake, right?
Bake,
That's what
yes.
we're going to do. We started out with soup this morning.
Which
so now,
helped me, thank you.
Yes.
I loved it.
And now we're going to do dessert.
Okay.
And this is an apple cherry crisp that we're going to do in the iron skillet here and then put it in the oven. I'm going to get you started because you are actually going to make our streusel topping. We have a half a cup of oatmeal, a half a cup of soy flour blend, half a cup of brown sugar, so all half cups there. We have a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and then our margarine there.
Okay.
And that margarine is 1/4 cup and that's a soy product. So here I have 2 tablespoons of margarine I put in there. You can kind of see it sizzling with 6 cups of apples.
Okay.
And we are going to now add our brown sugar.
Okay.
You can add that. Great.
Love the cast iron skillet too. It's underrated.
Yes,
It is.
totally.
You know, it's so easy for cleanup and oh, I love using it. Okay, and now the cinnamon, we're going to add that. And you have a half a cup of dried cherries. And you could use different fruits in this. I really like the combination of the apples and dried cherries.
Yeah,
So you
add
can
those
add
now.
that.
Okay.
Add that. And then to help us just a little bit with the thickening, we have our soy flour blend there, and you can add that. Can you start to smell that?
Oh my gosh, that aroma.
And we're just going to stir that. And look at you. You've made that crumbly.
Shane, look
And
at
I
you
don't
go.
know, did I say this, that if you don't have a pastry blender, you've done that perfectly. You can use two knives, you can use a fork, but you just want it to be crumbly. And you did that perfect.
Well, good.
So now,
you.
all you have to do is put that on the top.
Okay, let's get it on there before Krista takes it all.
Yes, please.
Very good. How easy is this? And then we just have 2 utensils here, bowls that we need to clean.
Oh, that's so easy. I love that.
Yes.
Love an easy cleanup.
I made that a little hard for you there, didn't I? I'll give you a
you're
little
good.
help there. Okay, so then what we're going to do, we'll turn this off, and we would put this in the oven at 350 degrees and bake it for about 45 minutes until that's nice and golden brown. And then why don't you show us that? And you have plates there for me.
Yummy.
And we're going to, it actually will serve 8. And what I like to do is to put this right on the table. It could come out of the oven, put it on the table, and it can keep warm in this for quite a while, of course. And then you can either serve it with whipped cream, you can serve it with ice cream.
Oh,
And
throw some
we'll
ice
give you
cream
guys
on
a little
there.
sample here.
I love
There you
it.
go.
All
Shane,
right.
There you go,
I
Shane.
love it.
Dig in.
And Shane has another plate there for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Are you going to share? Or?
Sorry, we're out of time.
No, I love it. I love the different fruits.
Yes.
That's a really good combination.
And it will make your house smell so good when the apples and
Yes.
cinnamon are baking in the oven. So you have the hot soup and then dessert. So we've got a whole meal. And really basic ingredients that you probably already have in your house.
It's so easy. I love that. I'm going to want to stay in this weekend with those cold temperatures.
All right.
How did it taste?
It tastes fantastic. Charlene, I promise, Krista and I will enjoy it during the break here. But we will let you know how you can get in touch with the Kansas Soybean Commission and find all these recipes, which they have available online. We got them right here. This is the hard copy, but you can go to kssoybeans.org to find out more information about how to get these recipes. Very nicely done, Charlene.
Thank you, Shane.
All
Thank
right.
you, Krista.
Thanks, Charlene.
Be right back.